You must have seen several courses on dairy processing, dairy product manufacturing on a digital media. But have you come across a different course which will take care of a troubleshooting in product manufacturing? The 26th November is the birth anniversary of Varghese Kurian. So on that day, a Teplu Learning is launching a different course of dairy processing wherein you will get idea about troubleshooting in the product manufacturing. So first we will be covering a SWOT analysis on dairy business. Then we'll come with the different types of products, desiccated dairy products, acid coagulated dairy products, fermented dairy products and frozen dairy products. Not only product manufacturing technique, but when you're manufacturing product, where it goes wrong and how to correct it. These aspects which never been covered by any of the product manufacturing courses will be covered by Teplu. Say for example, if you are manufacturing a curd and if you are not getting a proper curd, if there is a weighing off, if the curd is sourish, if the curd is not set, what is the reason behind that? Whether culture was not added properly, whether temperature was not perfect. The basics of milk, which are again not covered, that will be in dudology. You must have heard biology, sociology and all, but it will be a dudology in which we'll be covering the basics of milk. Why these basics are needed? Because the product quality depends on this milk quality or milk quantum. This course will be beneficial to all dairy processors. Not only dairy processors, but for the housewives, for the caterers and the new entrepreneurs. Because it will be covering all aspects of commercial as well as the homemade technology of various products. So all these aspects will be covered by Teplu Learning in this course. So do watch and register your name immediately